Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
At a birdhouse, the girl was playing with a bird. A boy was feeding peanuts to parrots. A peacock amazed them with their dancing. Nature is beautiful and brings joy. Dear kids, let's meet with the new alphabet P, and its sound is P. P, P, parrot. P, P, pigeon. P, P, peacock. P, P, panda. P, P, plate. P, P, peanuts. Dear kids, have you heard about pandas? What colors do pandas have on their bodies? See you in the next lesson.